What's up, guys? It's Harper here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial day. So let's get into that. So first, I like doing a little blush, only a little. Okay, so dab, dab, dab. This is already too much. So I'm just gonna dab it on there, wipe that off. That's just red for a different reason. Not because of the blush. Okay, so now let's do some lip gloss or lip, I don't know what it is. It just has a little color. So this is basically just lip cream. That's what it says. So now I like doing my eyeshadow, the biggest part. So let's do some eyeshadow. This would about be the brush that you would want, that tiny thing. Oh yeah, and for the blush you want to use this big thing. So I like doing light colors. Usually sometimes two colors. So today I feel like using that color, that pretty, I don't know, purpley color. Let's get into it. So I like holding my eye down. Exactly. And I only like doing it very light. You see, it's only a little, it's light. Very light purple. Because I don't like going for dark colors. Now I only put on makeup sometimes. Okay, so now sometimes I like putting on like fake eyelashes with some black glitter. I'm just going to try doing that. I usually don't do it the best, but I do it carefully. I mean, this is good. I like this. Fashion show. And guys, I forgot to tell you, this is the Day to Night eyeshadow palette. And this is 3D blush and contour. I don't use contour though. So I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Peace. And makeup is awesome.